God's voice within you whispers gently, reminding you that your heart knows what you truly need and what you dream about deeply. When you listen to what your soul really wants, you honor the special spark inside you that connects you to the divine. God encourages you to be kind to yourself, to treat yourself with the same love and kindness you give to others. Remember, loving yourself isn't just something you do, it's a way to see yourself as God sees you: valuable, precious, and complete. Take time to care for your spirit, rest when necessary, and trust that looking after yourself is part of God's wonderful plan for you. God has some important news for you. It's time to pack up because you're moving to a new place filled with hope and opportunities for growth. God has perfectly timed this move for you, allowing you to leave behind a life that may have felt slow or unexciting. Now God is preparing something beautiful for you, guiding you to a new home where you will find stability, success, and happiness. Picture this: you're moving into a large, beautiful house, maybe even the dream home you've always wanted. This house is more than just a place to live, it's a symbol of the comfort, peace, and safety that God wishes for you. As you get settled in your new home, you'll feel a wave of peace and positive energy. God is giving you the chance to make new, happy memories and experience life in an exciting and refreshing way. Additionally, God is opening up new paths in your career, providing opportunities for you to excel and grow. The new environment will inspire you to work hard and achieve more. With God's guidance, your career will take a step forward in this new place, which is not just about being comfortable but also about achieving your professional goals. God is also working to improve your relationships. Bonds that might have felt difficult will get better, leading to stronger, more supportive connections. This move is about improving every part of your life, steering you toward a future filled with joy and contentment. This new place you're moving to is not just a change of scenery, it's a transformation that will touch every aspect of your life and that of your family. Designed as a peaceful sanctuary, it offers a unique opportunity for everyone to connect more deeply and thrive together in harmony. God's grace is clearly at work here, not only enhancing your surroundings but also fostering growth in your collective happiness and health. As you settle into this new environment, the first thing you'll notice is the profound sense of calm it brings. This calm isn't just about the absence of noise or chaos, it's about feeling a deep peace that permeates through the house and into your lives, making daily living smoother and more serene. This tranquility will help dissolve the usual tensions and worries that might have clouded your days before. Financial pressures that once seemed like towering obstacles will start to diminish. Opportunities for prosperity will present themselves, allowing you and your family to flourish economically. You'll find yourselves better equipped to manage everyday challenges with newfound resilience and resources. This move is a key part of God's overarching plan for you, ensuring you have stability and an abundance of blessings. Furthermore, the health benefits of this new home are a significant boon from God. Imagine living in a place that naturally encourages a healthier lifestyle, where the air is fresh and the space invites physical activity and relaxation. Here you can take walks, spend time outdoors with your family, and engage in activities that promote physical health. The mental and emotional relief that comes with this setting is equally important. It provides a retreat from the stresses of the outside world, offering you a haven where you can unwind, recharge, and gather your strength. This nurturing environment is God's way of showing care for you and your loved ones, enabling you all to prosper in peace and joy. The positive changes in this new home will also be evident in the way others perceive and interact with you. As your stress levels decrease and your well-being improves, Your relationships with friends, neighbors, and colleagues are likely to strengthen. Your reputation in the community will grow as people witness the transformative effects this move has on your demeanor and outlook. God is guiding you to a place where you can be a beacon of stability and positivity, a place where you are respected and valued not just for what you do but for who you are. This is God's way of placing you where your light can shine the brightest, inspiring those around you and reflecting the divine value He sees in you. God's protection over your new home is another layer of His profound care for you. This place is not just a house, it's a safe haven, consecrated and guarded by God's presence. Every corner of this home is infused with His grace, ensuring that you and your family can live in safety and peace. This security isn't just physical, it extends to your spiritual and emotional realms, creating an atmosphere where you can grow in faith and happiness. As you pack each box and prepare for the move, remember that this is more than a relocation, it's a journey towards a more fulfilling life that God has meticulously planned for you. With every item you pack, envision the joy and satisfaction that await in your new home. This is a time of renewal and hope, a chance to leave behind whatever has held you back and embrace a future filled with promise and prosperity. God's plan in this move is comprehensive. It touches every facet of your life, from financial stability to personal well-being, from social connections to spiritual growth. As you begin this new chapter, trust that God has prepared everything to maximize your happiness and success. This blessing is tailor-made for you and your family, crafted with divine wisdom and love. So as you step into this new phase of life, do so with a heart full of faith and eyes open to the endless possibilities that God has laid out before you. Let the peace and abundance of your new home fill your spirit and guide your path. And remember, this is just the beginning of a brighter, more prosperous future that God has orchestrated for your ultimate joy and satisfaction. Type Amen to affirm your readiness to receive these blessings and to claim this beautiful promise from God as your own. This new home is not just a building, it's a fresh start designed to build a healthier and happier life for you and your family. God's blessings are evident in every corner of this new chapter. As you embrace this change and make positive steps forward, the people around you will take notice. Your reputation in the community will flourish as others see the stability and growth in your life. This isn't by chance, it's God's way of placing you in an environment where you are valued and respected, highlighting how much He treasures you. It's an opportunity for you to shine and become a source of inspiration for others. Furthermore, your new home is a sanctuary, a safe haven that is blessed and shielded by God's presence. Here you'll find protection not just from physical harm but also from the uncertainties that may have clouded your past. This safety brings peace of mind, allowing you and your family to live in comfort and security, fostering an atmosphere where everyone can grow and thrive without fear. As you settle into this new home, you will discover that it is more than just a place of refuge, it is a place of renewal. Here you can let go of old burdens and embrace a future filled with promise. This move is a divine setup, tailored to uplift you and propel you toward your dreams. It's a clear sign of God's ongoing care and intention to enrich your life, ensuring that each day is better than the last. In this new home, you will notice improvements not just in your personal well-being but also in your relationships. As your own stress decreases and your happiness increases, you'll be better positioned to build stronger, more meaningful connections with others. Your family will benefit from the positivity and harmony that this new environment fosters, making your home a cornerstone of joy and unity. Moreover, this place is designed to enhance your spiritual journey as well. With fewer worries and a peaceful setting, you can delve deeper into your faith, finding stronger connections with God in this tranquil environment. This spiritual growth is a crucial part of the blessings God is pouring into your life, allowing you to feel more grounded and connected to His divine plan. God's hand in this move is clear in the prosperity it brings as well. You'll find new opportunities to improve your financial situation, and with God's guidance, you will be able to manage and maximize these blessings effectively. The stability that comes from this can free you to focus more on enjoying life and less on financial concerns. In essence, every aspect of your move to this new home is infused with God's strategic planning for your life. It's not just about physical relocation, but about repositioning you for greater blessings, happiness, and fulfillment. Each room in this new house, each street in your new neighborhood, and each new or strengthened relationship is a testament to God's active presence and loving attention to detail in your life. As you embark on this journey, take each step with gratitude and confidence, knowing that God has prepared this path for you. Every moment in this new place is an opportunity to experience the fullness of life God intends for you. With every sunrise in your new home, remember that God's blessings are new every morning, and His plans for you are always for your good. Step into this new chapter with open arms and an open heart, ready to receive all the blessings, peace, and joy that God has in store. This is your time to thrive, to heal, and to shine brighter than ever before, under God's watchful eyes and loving care. Type Amen. To claim this new life, filled with God's promises and your potential, waiting to unfold in wondrous ways. This move is a sign of God's love and care for you. He's arranged this change to help you achieve your dreams, lift you from past troubles, and fill your life with happiness and contentment. As you pack each box, remember that God is guiding you to a brighter, better future. This move is not just about changing your address, it's a special blessing from God to help you heal, grow, and flourish. As you begin this new chapter, have faith that God has planned everything to bring you joy and success. Type Amen to embrace this blessing. My dear viewers, show your support by giving a super thanks up to $20.